Hi, Marianne here, talking about spring cleaning for your body, your mind, and your spirit. We're going to start with the body, and one of the first and frequently missed steps when it comes to doing cleanses or detoxes is making sure that the vehicles that the body uses for getting rid of toxins are strengthened and optimized. So the first thing you need to do is work on your lymph. Ways to do that. Number one, bouncing up and down. So on a rebounder, if you have it, which is one of those mini trampolines, that's one of my favorite ways to get the lymph moving. You see, the lymph doesn't have any ability to circulate on its own. The system doesn't have any kind of pump associated with it. So it's up to us. And this is also one of the downsides of being too sedentary, is if you're not moving and moving specifically in a way that gets the lymph to move, you are having a lot of toxins and sludge staying in your body that should be ushered out very, very quickly. So the lymph system is kind of like the sewage system of the body, and the center of it, a big part of it, is under the left armpit. That's kind of like the sewage treatment plant, so to speak. So for women, this means reducing or eliminating underwire bras or things that are putting pressure on that part of the lymph system. And we also need to talk about doing some dry skin brushing. So a dry skin brush is a natural bristle brush. The bristles are on the soft side, and you can get these on Amazon. Just make sure that there's no plastic involved. You want to get one that's all natural. You want to start by doing upward motions, starting in that left armpit, and then doing a couple counterclockwise circles, and then circles moving everything either towards the nearest lymph valve or towards the heart. Starting there in the left armpit, working up each arm, the underside, the outer side of each arm, then the legs, working towards the middle. You want to pay particular attention to anywhere there's lymph glands. So in the armpits, here in the neck, under the breasts, the center here of the chest, and then in the groin above where the fold is for your thigh, where your thigh hits your leg. You have lymph glands in there. So you want to make sure that you are doing dry skin brushing to get the lymph moving. You want to do that before you shower. It's great to do it in the morning. It's very energizing. You can also look up, there's some good videos online that go through real specifics on how to do dry skin brushing. If you can't find one, let me know. I'll be happy to post one for you.